Hi, everyone. My name is Mr. Kleist, and I'm excited to be your child's fourth grade math teacher. I kind of wanted to go over this slide first. We use the math series called My Math from McGraw-Hill, and these are the 12 chapters that we're going to learn about. And yes, we do use the fifth grade math workbook because our students are actually ready for that math workbook compared to the fourth grade math workbook. So anyway, I wanted to go over our links here. I have a link. In each link here, I have an overview of what the students are going to learn in each chapter. Also, I give you some examples. It says represent a fraction like 58 hundredths in different ways. Here's an example of what the students are going to be required to do. I also had some answer keys to each one of the lessons, but unfortunately, it says there's no preview available now. So that's not going to work, unfortunately, but I'm going to look into it and see if I can figure that out. So the next thing I wanted to go back to is talk a little bit about what else they're going to learn. We do a lot of long division and long multiplication in fourth grade, but and also we do a lot of fractions and decimals, adding and subtracting with unlike denominators and like denominators. We also get into some multiplying and dividing by fractions. But the big things that those kids are going to learn is long division, long multiplication, and lots of fractions. And then we also have, of course, our measurement and geometry units, which are somewhat a little bit of a review with just a few things that'll be new concepts for them as well. Okay. On my next slide, I just have a sequence of our curriculum. In the first trimester, the first 12 weeks, we're going to do place value, multiplying whole numbers, geometry, and long division. So we learn a lot in those first 12 weeks because we use long division and we use those in multiplication. We're going to use that all the way throughout the year. So it's important for our kids to get that right away. Second trimester, adding and subtracting decimals, expressions like order of operations, fractions and decimals like the basic ones, how to find them and locate them, and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators and things, and measurement. In the third trimester, we're going to divide by a 2-digit divisor, multiply and divide by decimals, and multiply and divide by fractions. So we learn a lot in fourth grade, and I know that your child is going to improve a great deal as the year goes on. I believe that kids learn more while they're having fun, and that's one of my main focuses and goals in school this year is to make learning fun for your child, especially in math, science, and social studies. The next thing I want to talk to you about is Olweus. Olweus is our anti-bullying program. It teaches kids exactly what bullying is and then how to stand up for kids or your friends that are being bullied. And in our Olweus program, we have a school-wide kickoff assembly, we have a classroom meeting, time that we do once a week to talk about Olweus and give kids those strategies that they need. And then in guidance class with Miss Otala, they talk about it. And then we give some positive reinforcement with our tiger paws. Now, there is a bullying reporting form, and I kind of wanted to go over where you could find that. So this link isn't correct, so I'm going to fix that later. But if you go to the Tibbetts Elementary page, website, you're going to go to this link called Safe Elks. So when you go to Safe Elks, the anti-bullying form is right here to report bullying. And you click there and say, I want to report bullying. And then there's all kinds of information there for you to fill out. Well, that's the end of this little presentation that I have for you. And I just got to please let me know if you have any questions or any concerns. I've been teaching math for quite a while, and I have a lot of tricks that I can help kids learn. So if your child is struggling in anything, please let me know, and I can help them, and we'll get them to where they need to be. So in my opinion, it's all about not where they started, it's where they end. It's all about their improvement, and that's what we focus on. So, all right. Well, thank you very much. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Thank you.